Okay, you guys, so I am done now with the chicken and stuff like that. So now I'm gonna make the sauce. Okay, guys, so what you will need for the sauce is mayonnaise. Let me see if you can see. It's mayonnaise, seasoned salt, relish, paprika, and black pepper. Okay, so we're gonna put relish in. Mayonnaise, about 3 tablespoons. Paprika, Rich, give me ketchup. Black pepper, seasoned salt, just mix everything together. And this is the sauce that we are going to be using for our bun. Okay, guys, so if you want to use any of the rolls that I showed you, but I'm going to use this one for myself, and then I'm going to rub it in like so. And you guys, when I tell you the chicken tasted so good, this is it right here. This is the chicken. And let me show you guys how moist the chicken is. You guys, look at that. Look at that. It cooked so perfectly. Okay, so we're gonna use, I just want one, so I'm just going to use that. And I'm also going to use some lettuce this way, some tomatoes here. Okay, and then I'm going to put one pickle down here. And then you guys, I have my sweet potato fries, and the kids will be eating this one, so I'm gonna put a few potato fries over here. You guys, look how crunchy they are. And then I'm gonna put a few salad on the side here, and my bun, I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of black pepper. Okay, and then that is it, guys. I'm gonna put some lettuce, season the salad dressing, so I'm gonna be using this. I don't want much salad dressing, just a little. And you guys, this is my grilled chicken sandwich. You guys, don't require much, just a little bit. You guys, so thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys on my next one. Bye.